Hello guys, and welcome to my new tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this message pop up in your website. So this is about ad blockers. So let's say I refresh here, and when someone just visit your website and scroll down, this message will pop up if they use ad blocker like this one. So how to do that? So just follow. So here in your Google AdSense dashboard, in privacy and messaging, click here and scroll down until you will find ad blocking recovery. So create. So here just create message, and here you will find the design. If you want styling to write anything, I will just make this thing simple. So here select site, make sure to add logo, so upload your logo, and here click on confirm. So confirm again. So here is the pop-up message will show like this one exactly. So here click on just publish. So publish, make sure that it may take up so an hour for the message to be displayed in your site. Just click on publish. So here is published. Your Google AdSense, and here in privacy and messaging, here click on tagging and copy this ad blocking recovery. So copy and go to your dashboard in theme header, and between head and head paste this HTML ad blocking code. So paste it and update file. So now refresh again, and here it works. So as you can see here, very simple. So let's ask, so here allow ads, you can click, for example, refresh the page, so ad blocking, or you can cancel if you want. Visit more sites to make sure yes it's work again. So allow ads, refresh. So here you can go and you can remove, for example, if you want. So refresh. So now it works.